Well, decided to buy another one. But this time it's going to be a little different than you think. It's not just going to be any other phone that doesn't come with a charger, SD card, or anything. It's going to be something special. And take a wild guess. If you said open box, yes, you are correct. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this thing. Alright, I'm making this video just for a reason. I might try to review this device. And yep. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, who cares? Who cares about the box? I'm just gonna rip it open. Alrighty. That's it. Just the box. And would you look at that? A brand new LG 150 on Trumpet Mobile. Can't you believe that? Besides, the box has literally scratches, you know. And it comes with everything. It comes with the manual, comes with everything, even comes from Mexico as well. And these are the list of countries of rate. Free. Each country. Plus free calls to select destinations in Argentina. All these countries in Trumpet Mobile. I'm sorry, if you live in the US, sorry, you won't get free calls in the United States with this one. So yeah, it's unfortunate. But anyways, I might open this like I'm opening Walmart bargain, but yep. Ooh, this is gonna be a little crucial, but looks scary to open in front of all of you guys. But anyways, here's the phone. Looks well designed. Yeah, it looks like it straight came out of the company, so yeah. Oh my god, that box is scary to open. Here's the charger. And here's the manuals and the battery. So, where does this box go? Belongs like Jim. Anyways, let's go ahead. As of 11/15/09, star 222 will no longer be available. To add additional, dial 877 Trump and follow the prompts. Alright. Something about service, you know. Anyways, here's the trumpets. Oop. I swear, I thought I saw something weird on my screen, but it was just imaginary. Ooh, it's all about the phone. 3-way calling included. Calls to 911. Available to calls to customer care. But anyways, LG manual. Anyways, before that, I'm gonna go ahead and it might be dead at the moment. Yep, comes with these. I'm gonna go ahead and press the push button and put in the phone. It just says 150. My other one that I have just says LX 150. This one will definitely be dead, but let's see if it has any power. Whoop. That wasn't a surprise, but easily I can get another one, so well, obviously the box was close to me, so I'm gonna be surprised if it's on the LG LX 140 startup. I'm taking the one out of my other 150. This one has charge in it. Oh. Ooh. Also, Trumpet Mobile comes from Mexico. Alrighty. Displays a pretty much a 4.5-inch screen. 4.5-inch screen if I don't know. Left side, volume rockers. Yeah. Voice command. At the bottom, got nothing but this. On the right side, you got your proprietary LG charger. For example, like the LG Envy charger. On the right side, if I'm right, 1.5 or 2.5 inch millimeter headphone jack. I don't know. But either one. On the top, you got your little hinge. This is where the little hinge for your flip phone is. On the back, you got your push button to open the back cover. And yep, and your LG logo on the back. On your front, you got your little old designable screen. Got your white background screen that displays this, searching for service. Fortunately, this doesn't have a camera. On the front, you got your menu key, context key, speaker key from when you call someone, text key, back key, and the power end key, call people, yeah, send key, your keypad, your on the right side, and right here you got display. I don't know how many inches this is, but yeah, this is your cutout earpiece. Tones are pretty quiet. All right, phone info. Here's the version. If you want to look. Sorry if my camera's this bad, and the audio quality. HW version. Here it is. If you care to look and use no service. I mean, this thing came out of the box, so channel 425. Here's this. And also, Roberto told me on the live stream that when he used to go to a store, they used to sell these back in his like country. I think he used to sell these in his Trumpet Mobile. I think they used to sell these in his country because Trumpet Mobile is basically from there. Hold up, I'm reading the instructions. Hold up. 4.5. Ooh, to turn off your Bluetooth. If you even care to look at the instructions, I'll do it right here. Care to look? I don't know if I can read all this on time. Even if it's a security code, the handset will prompt you for the PIN code. Consult the Bluetooth accessory instructions, the appropriate PIN code, typically 000. Enter the PIN code and press OK. Yeah, it's like if you go to security in settings, that it will get you like right there. And these are the instructions on like, how to get this thing to get on service. But anyways, let's see this. Yeah, this is mostly about service. But this one's a pretty nice design. Free calls to Mexico. Like you can talk to your familia, yeah, which stands for family in Spanish. And if you wanted to send a text, you could. It costs you 5 cents to send one. I don't know. Seems pretty cheap, but kind of expensive. Not gonna lie, but prepaid rates no contact, 10 cents per minute. Yeah, Trumpet Mobile is from any country. Yep, you could call from people from these countries. You could call anyone from these countries right here in this list: Mexico, Canada, United Kingdom, Colombia, Germany, Australia, Ireland, Italy. Like if you wanted to call, example, Lion King. If you wanted to meet those famous YouTubers, and if they have this, you can call them as well. But anyways, shows this. The earpiece allows you to hear callers. Anyways, look at all these instructions. I think this is the instruction. It tells you everything about the phone. So, yep, this thing displays. I don't know if I'm right. 4.5 inch screen. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are pretty rare. I don't know. This is the only Trumpet Mobile phone that I have. And Steven's phones, I remember in a video he had the LG LX 150. I mean 140. Like 10 number minus 10 numbers to 140. Yeah, minus 10 to 150. And that's 140, 150 minus 10, 140. LG LX 140. Anyways, you got your speaker button to, if you wanted to call on a phone. Let's turn it back on. Doesn't show the LG logo, only shows Trumpet Mobile. Surprising, huh? Are you guys excited that I'm displaying this brand new compatible device, Yeah, it's perfect for anyone who's looking for a very cheap, reliable device like this one. But anyways, I might, if I can try, I don't know. These are only for collectibles, but yep, unfortunately 2G network is shut down in this country. I'm not sure if they're turned on in other countries, but you could go to their country to see if 2G's on for them. Recent call history. If you wanted to talk to someone, you can also press this. Messaging. I'll go ahead and pretty cool background, right, guys? But yeah, this thing is pretty nice. And even to remove the back cover, if you're like, oh my god, I can't get off the back cover, literally there's a push button in front of you. All you gotta do is push the button and then, push the, like example, hold up. I'll demonstrate it for you. All you gotta do is push the button and then, like that, easy. I'll show it again if you want me. Press down the push button, slide it with your thumb, and simple as that. And also the battery pockets right here to remove the batteries right here in front of my fingers. Hold up. There. Lift up your fingers and then the batteries out there. Anyways, rate this phone from 1 to 10 in the comments. I would love your guys' opinion on this phone. Even if it's a 5 out of 10, I don't care. I will still love your rating. But yeah, 1.5 millimeter headphone. Yeah, this for sure a 1.5 inch millimeter headphone jack. And this is the voice command button. Or if you wanted to like make recordings. I think this is the voice command button. If it's like designed for old people, so like, if they're like too lazy to press the numbers, they get to press this button right here, and then you get to say the number out loud. Yeah, like lazy way. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll give you one last look at the manual. And if you want to see if you want to know all about it, go ahead. Just continue here. And pause the video if you like. And yeah, that's it for today. Comes with the charger, with its own battery, back cover, everything. Comes with everything, brand new and everything. Unfortunately, doesn't. It's a non-SIM phone, so most SIM. Yeah, there's even some phones that don't have SIMs that don't even take it. So. Anyways, great pair. If you're looking for a phone like this, even if you're in Mexico, Argentina, Germany, any European country like Mexico or Canada, get this one. It's the best option. Even if it's on Trumpet Mobile Mexico, you can call anyone there besides the United States. Only from the listed countries that I showed you. You could call anyone from these listed countries. There you go. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Leave your rating down below in the comments and tell me. I will love it. I will heart and like every single one of your comments. Even if it's a 5, 4, 3, I'll still love it. And I'll respect it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm glad you love to see this. I'm glad you're more than welcome to see this phone anytime you like. Anyways, let's go ahead and end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. And I will guys see you in the next one. Peace.